Hi, guys, you're watching Top Capable. This video is gonna show you how to reset forgotten passcode on iPhone. Okay, this goes for pretty much all iPhones and iPads that you've forgotten the password to. So let's say you're here on the lock screen and you forgot your passcode, and you can't get into your iPhone. Or you're stuck on the black locked screen saying iPhone unavailable, because you can't remember what your password is, and you entered too many wrong passcodes at unlocking the device. Okay, so, to bypass the password, the only way around that, guys, is do a factory reset. Just reset your phone back to factory settings, completely remove the old passcode that you couldn't remember anymore and create a new one. It's rather easy to do. This video covers 2 ways to reset iPhone if you forgot passcode. I'm gonna tech you do both of them step by step. So at the end, I'm gonna make sure that you set a new passcode for your iPhone, and in case you forget your password again, you'd better write down the passcode on a paper or save it somewhere safe. Now, we're gonna start with the process. You don't need your passcode. The number 1 is to enter recovery mode and restore iPhone using iTunes or Finder. It's not the easiest method, but it could reset your forgotten passcode of iPhone and regain access. Alright. You basically need to turn off the phone first and then do a certain combination while connecting the iPhone to get it to recovery mode. We use iPhone 13 as an example, and we also leave an informative link for how to enter recovery mode for any iOS device. So on my iPhone 13, press and hold either volume button and side button. When the slide to power off slider appears, drag the slider to turn it off. Wait for a few seconds to let your iPhone shut down completely. Then plug one end of the charging cable into the USB port of your computer. Alright. Press and hold the side button and plug the other end of the lightning cable into your iPhone. Keeping holding down the side button, and then you'll see the device's screen display a charging cable and a laptop. This means your iPhone is in recovery mode status. When you're done this, go ahead to your computer and restore iPhone where you forgot the lock passcode. Launch iTunes. If you're on a Mac with macOS 10.15 Catalina or higher, launch Finder on it. As you can see, folks, iTunes or Finder delivers a dialog window with restore and update options. In order to reset iPhone to its factory defaults and bypass the forgotten passcode, you have to click on Restore button to delete all data and settings on the iPhone. iTunes or Finder is now downloading the latest version of iOS for your device. If it's running an older iOS, it should be updated. If your device is currently running the most current iOS, iTunes or Finder is gonna just reinstall the iOS. The whole process will take some time to finish. You guys don't disconnect the iPhone, or don't do anything on the computer. You will see your iPhone displaying an Apple logo and a progress bar on its screen to let you monitor the process. Just sit back and wait it to complete the reset. When everything has been reset, you should see the welcome screen on your iPhone. Now you're ready to set up the device like when you open it at the first time after purchase. The on-screen will guide you to choose your language and country, reconnect to a Wi-Fi network, set up Face ID or Touch ID again. When you get to create a passcode screen, set a new passcode again. I will highly recommend you to choose the combination of numbers that are easy to remember yourself but hard for others to guess. And make sure to put down the passcode in case you forget the password again, or someone randomly locks your iPhone after entering the incorrect passcode too many times. Then, if you have a backup available, and next on the apps and data screen, you could restore your backup on Mac or PC, or just restore data from iCloud backup. If you do not have backup, choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data to set your iPhone as a brand new one. But keep in mind that everything including your forgotten passcode has been deleted during the reset just then, so you will lose all of your data. Alright, when it's set up, you can access your iPhone now. So that's pretty much it for you if that's your case. Similar to performing a reset via iTunes or Finder, iPhone Unlocker utility from AppGeeker does the same thing for you. So folks, if you have issue resetting a forgotten password using iTunes, you could try it. It's easier and specifically designed to get rid of the passcode and unlock any iOS device in a few clicks. Now, we come to the method number 2 to reset forgotten passcode without iTunes or computer. This involves inputting the passcode incorrectly until you see the Erase iPhone option on the lock screen, and then going to tap on the Erase iPhone option to factory reset your phone. But know that this only works for an iPhone that is updated to iOS 15.2 or newer, and connected to cellular or Wi-Fi network. And Find My iPhone feature has been already enabled. Okay, I'm gonna show you step by step. You guys can't remember the password on the iPhone. We randomly enter the code, and keep entering. When you see iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes or longer. You will also see the Erase iPhone option on the lower right corner of the screen. That's what we need. Once getting the Erase iPhone option, we're gonna tap on it. Next, the Erase All Content and Settings screen warns you that a reset will wipe off anything on the iPhone, including the passcode. To confirm this, tap on Erase iPhone again. Now, we're prompted to log out of Apple account on this iPhone. So enter the Apple ID password and the reset begins immediately. As you can see, the iPhone is restoring itself now, with Apple logo and progress bar on the screen. The process will be completed in a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, you will the hello screen. Set it up from scratch and create a passcode again. Make sure to remember the code you set. If you do have a backup, you'll be able to retrieve all that data. Otherwise, everything you have is long gone. So guys, that's pretty much it to reset your iPhone forgotten passcode. Any questions, comment below. You guys subscribe, like, and share, going to be great. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, bye.